Welcome back. This is Jacob Milliken, owner of 9M Investments, and today I'll be going through August private investment performance. So August, I know we're now into November, but August was quite the month in the public markets. As you may remember, we started off the month with a huge drop, which a lot of people were blaming on the Japanese carry trade with all the hedge funds. We bounced back from that, then had another volatility shock toward the end of the month. So a very volatile August. So put that in perspective with some of the investments we use on the private side, which help, again, protect us from this volatility. Let's jump into the numbers of actually what happened. So within the REIT world, both Blackstone and Nuveen's Global City REIT were up in August, up year to date, and again, very strong dividend rates. I know I talk about this every single time, but where these investments are in your portfolio, whether they be in an individual account or on a qualified account like an IRA or Roth IRA, has a big difference on how this dividend is treated. So if this dividend or these investments are inside of a taxable account, individual account, this dividend has some tax advantages. So currently, Nuveen's Global City REIT, 100% tax-free. Blackstone's REIT dividend is 85% tax-free. So that's a huge advantage if to having these types of accounts or these types of investments in the right type of accounts. On the income producing side, Blackstone's private credit, Carlyle's tactical credit, and the priority income fund, again, all up on the month of August, pretty strong returns. The private credit sector on the year, again, very strong, up above 7% for both of these. Priority or income fund, not as much return. Again, that's not really what this fund is designed to do. It's designed for income, but we do expect a little bit of NAV growth. So again, not a bad thing at all there. Where these differ and what these are used for, though, is primarily within my portfolios is for income. If we're taking this income, again, very strong dividends, 10%, Carlyle Tactical credit above 10%, and the priority income fund, again, the whole goal of this is for that dividend. So 12.5%, very happy with that. So, whether or not a client is using this income or rolling these dividends back into the fund, just kind of depends on their situation. One way or the other, we're very happy with these dividends, however they're going to be used in the portfolio, whether they be for income or for continued growth. And then on the private equity side, pretty strong August, considering what was happening out in the public markets. iDirect Private Markets Fund, 1.29%. BlackRock's Private Fund, up 2.35 in the month of August. So very good month so far. And then through the end of August, up 6.3 and right over 8% for the year. So very happy with where they're at. If you look at these investments versus kind of what's going on the market, not a good comp as far as like the S&P 500, but if you compare these to like the Russell 2000, very strong returns versus those markets. Even though the Russell here lately has had a pop from election changes, these funds, again, still very strong. And then the other part of that versus the volatility of the Russell is very, very, very low volatility. And again, that's what we want out of these types of funds. So that's kind of the wrap for August. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'd be happy to go through, how these might fit in your portfolio. Have a great week.